Now the ceiling height in this area is about 30 feet, so it's huge. It goes up to the height of the second floor here, so you do have a lot of space. You got the 6-burner gas grill. There's your that's actually, this is for your spices. Got your microwave here, gas oven, gas stovetop there. Trash bins go here. Pantry directly ahead here. True walk-in. So we had the 1-bedroom downstairs, possibility for a second one depending on what design choices you make. But like right now it is the office, and there me showcasing the ceiling with the wood beams, and then they have the wood across the top of this part of the ceiling.